Hi, in this video we will see how do we find out the square root of a number by division method. We have earlier seen the prime factorization method of finding the square root, and we have also seen the repeated subtraction method to find the square root of a given number. Now let us see how do we perform the division method. Suppose we have to find square root of 2304. So there are certain steps which we need to follow. Step 1 is to form the pairs. And which direction we have to go? We have to go from the ones digit and we have to move left and form the pairs. So we have 2304, the ones digit is 4 and we have to move left to form the pairs. So we have formed a pair of 04 and we have formed a pair of 23. 2, 3, 0, 4. First step is to form the pair starting from the ones digit and moving to the left. Now let us start. We have to look for the largest number whose square is equal to or less than 23. So we know that 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. So we have to take 4 square 16 because it is lesser than 23. So we write the number whose square we will be taking of 4 and the square of 4. So 4 4s are 60. 23 here, the first pair becomes our dividend and the number 4 becomes the divisor. So 4 4s are 16. When we subtract, we get a remainder of 7 here. Okay, now the important thing here is whatever is our divisor, we have to add the same thing. So the important thing here is that we are taking the square of 4. So this divisor, we will again add a 4 here and we will get an 8. And we will bring down this pair here together, 7, 0, 4. Now we already have 8 here. We need one more number. We have to fill some number here in. So 82 2s are, we will do like this. 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16. It is much lesser. Or we can do 88 8s are. So 8 8s are 64 and we get a 704. So 88, we write an 8 here. Whatever has to be written here, the same thing is repeated here. 88 8s are 704. You subtract, you get the remainder as 0 and whatever you write here has to be added again. So you get a 76 here. Okay, and since we have got the remainder of 0, we say that square root of 2304 is 48 or 48 square is 2304. I hope this is a little bit clear. Let us do one more example to make it more clearer. The square root of 729. So the first thing is we have to form the pairs. We start forming the pairs from the ones digit and move to the left. Now we are left with only one digit which is 7. So we'll just put a bar on 7. Okay, so our first dividend is number 7. We have to look for the largest square number which is equal to or less than 7. So it is 2 2s are 4. 2 square 4, we subtract it to get a 3 and whatever we write here we have to add it again. So 2 plus 2 makes it a 4. Is to take down the second pair, the entire pair down. So our new dividend is 329 and we have to fill in a digit here. So we can do 41 1s are, 42 2s are, 43 3s are and so on. And we have to check which number can be filled in here. So if we do 47 7s are, we get 329. This means that this blank has to be filled by 7. 47 7s are 329, which when subtracted gives us a remainder 0 and whatever we fill in here the same has to be added. So we get a 54 here. We have got a remainder 0 and hence square root of 729 is equal to 27. I hope this much is clear to everyone. How do we find the square root of any given number by division method? The first important thing is to put the bars or to form the pairs starting from the ones digit and moving left, and then following this division process. Now, there is one important thing to be noted here. We see that we are trying to find the square root of number 2304. There are total 4 digits. So how many pairs are formed? 1 and 2. And each pair is giving us 1 digit in the square root. So square root of 2304 is basically a 2-digit number. And that 2-digit number is 48. In 729, how many pairing lines have we drawn? Let us see. So we have one pair here, 29, and the other line is over 7. So each of these lines will yield 1 digit in the square root. So 729 also has a square root which is a 2-digit number. We have how many digits are there in the square root of 27225. We don't have to find the exact square root. We have to tell how many digits will be there in the square root of 27225. So what we do is, let us just start pairing. So this is one pair, this is other, and this is the third. How many lines have we drawn for pairing? There are total 3 lines, and each of them will give us 1 digit in the square root, and hence our square root will have 3 digits. Okay, so how many digits are there in the square root of 27225? The answer is 3 digits. So I hope this is clear to everyone that how do we find the square root by division method, and how do we determine how many digits will be there in a square root of a given number by seeing how many pairs we are able to form, and each pair will yield us 1 digit in the square root. I hope this much is very clear to everyone. In our next video, we will see how to do the division methods when the number whose square root we have to find is a decimal number. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding this video, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel, Mathacademy. If you have liked my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.